guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. But if you're new, then welcome. So today I'm doing an empties video, and I figured why not, because I've used a lot of products and some of them worked great for me, some of them didn't work so well. I know it's a struggle to find the right type of personal care products for your skin type. So if you don't want to see this, then let's go. But hold up, before I get into the video, you know we have an important announcement to make, right? The back to school giveaway winner is, let's have a drum roll. The winner of the back to school giveaway is Misty J. Super congratulations to you, Misty J, and thank you so very much for entering. Thank you so much for everyone else who entered, and I'm sorry if you all didn't win, but in the near future I may have more giveaways and we'll all have a chance to win, right? By the time you see this video, I probably would have already contacted you or some sort around, so let's just get on with the video now. So to start off with hair products, the first thing that I have here is the L'Oreal New Total Repair 5 Damage Erasing Balm. Now this is this small bottle right here. Now I've had this for quite some time and it lasted really long. It smells great. It's like a creamy consistency, and this is basically, it's something like a leave-in conditioner, but you actually do have to wash this out. It's really thick, and it's for damaged hair. It's literally, it gets rid of split ends, weak hair, rough hair, dull hair, dehydrated hair, and it literally fixes everything. This has worked really great for my hair. I did not use it every single time I wash my hair, and it literally did have my hair a little bit heavy, and when I have a lot of products on my hair, it literally starts to scratch often, right? But this has definitely repaired my split ends. I had quite a lot of split ends, and it really works great, and you only need like a little bit. This is about $40 something, and it is a great price for this brand. This size, number 2, and the amount that you have to use compared to how long it lasts, this is definitely a really great product, and I would definitely buy this again. Batiste dry shampoo. I know a lot of you all have probably heard about dry shampoos. The first time I heard about dry shampoos, my first thought was, ew, that's gross. You have to wash your hair for it to be clean, right? Because my idea of dry shampoo is like, why keep the dirt in your hair? But the thing is, I actually got 2 of these mini ones, I think for $20, which wasn't bad. This one is the Floral and Fruity Blush Seduction one. Is like, this has a really great scent. Now I really just wanted to test it out. That's why I bought the mini one instead, because not a lot of products agree with my hair scratches very easily. So the thing about this is that literally everything that they say about dry shampoo, it's true. When I use this on my hair, it literally absorbed all of the dirt. My hair got like more poof and more volume, and it works really well. The thing is though, I mean, if you haven't washed your hair for like 2 weeks, which I don't know who would actually do that, but it wouldn't get rid of the dirt, but you see the oils that would be in your scalp, it would literally absorb it. So the Batiste dry shampoo was definitely a great buy, and I will buy this again, and a bigger one of course. Now onto the face. I have here just regular rose water. I really wanted to get into using more natural products for my face. Now rose water, it is a natural skin toner, and it's also a skin cleanser, and it could actually be a conditioner for your hair. I used it the 3 ways, and they've worked really awesome. Every single night I put just some rose water on a cotton and spread all over my face, and it's definitely lightened the scars on my face, and I have like discoloration on my face itself. Like this part is darker than like the rest of my face, so it actually evened out my skin tone quite a lot since I've been using it. To use as a conditioner, I rinsed my hair with this and a scented oil, and it worked great. My hair was literally felt really soft. The thing is though, it felt soft, but it didn't look moisturized. But a cleanser, my face does feel clean after using it on my face too. Literally feels totally refreshed using this toner, and it has worked to clear up my skin and even my skin tone quite a lot. So rose water, always, I have bought quite a lot of these countless times. I have here Pure Neem face wash by the Joy brand. I know you guys have heard me talk about this brand countless times. I absolutely love them. It is a great product. They have great skincare products. They are such an amazing price. This brand keeps me with a budget, and it helps me save so much. So if you don't know, neem is actually known as an antiseptic. So when you have things like acne scars or pimples, it actually helps dry it up, and like it disinfects your face. This is a little, I really love using this in the morning time, because it has like this tingly feeling, and it kind of wakes me up, and my face feels really clean using this. I will buy more of these. Another face wash, this is by Beauty Formulas. This is another super cheap, budget-friendly brand that has really amazing skincare products. This is Oil Control Exfoliating Facial Scrub that has tea tree in it. Tea tree is such an amazing antiseptic as well. I absolutely love it. I have this in tea tree. I have another tea tree face wash. I have tea tree oil for my hair. I have so many products in tea tree, and it literally works really great. This so it's a deep action cleansing. It supports problem skin, so it helps control acne and blackheads. I've never had a big problem with blackheads, so I'm not sure how well it works with blackheads because I don't really have any blackheads. Get buttons from time to time, but not that much. But it does work really good. It has a tingly feeling. My face is absolutely smooth with it. Thing is, I don't use this every day because I don't like to scrub my face every single day. It's a great exfoliator because even though you exfoliate and you are scrubbing your skin, your face doesn't feel dry at all. It absolutely moisturizes your skin. So I will buy this again. On some random products, I actually got this little bottle of mouthwash. This is by the brand Rite Aid, like R-I-T-E. It's a cool mint antiseptic mouth rinse. I bought this because I thought it was like really tiny and the bottle would be really handy to carry anyway on me when I'm going to like stay overnight somewhere, or like if I have to go to dinner or something. I literally have a cute little bottle of mouthwash just in case. You never know, right? The thing about this is like I love the bottle. It was really handy. It was really cheap. I think this was about $10 or less. So the price was great. The size is good for like travel size. But the thing is that I guess I kind of understand it with the whole price range and everything, but this wasn't as strong as I would have liked it to be. It wasn't like super minty at all, but it did do a okay-ish job, but it wasn't like super strong, so I probably wouldn't buy this brand again. The last product that I have is a Marks & Spencer. Yeah, this is a Marks & Spencer talcum powder. I actually have quite a lot of these talcum powders because I don't know why, but I literally used to like carrying these everywhere because the thing is I never really like powder a lot, right? But I feel refreshed when I have like a little bit of powder on my skin. I feel really refreshed, and this smells like really great. This iris powder, I love like the packaging. Like it's like a gorgeous flower drawing on it, and I will definitely buy this some Marks & Spencer talcum powder again.
Roll it up.
I have a quote here by Florence Nightingale. I attribute my success to the fact that I never gave or took any excuse. So you see guys, success is not based on excuses. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and below, and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos because that would be really nice.